Welcome back, relativistic friend. Let's answer the question I made in the previous video. How much mass does the Sun lose every second? We can measure the power that we receive here on Earth coming from the Sun. That power per square meter is 1,360 watts per square meter. Because we are at 150 million kilometers from the Sun, that means that the total power emitted by the Sun is that amount multiplied by the surface area of a sphere with that radius. So, P is equals to 1,360 times 4 pi times 1.5 times 10 to the power of 11 squared. This is the total emitted power of 3.85 times to the power of 26 watts. That is the power delivered by the Sun, or in other words, that is the energy delivered by the Sun each second. That energy delivered by the Sun comes from the transformation of mass into energy. The corresponding mass is equals to E over c squared. So, the mass lost by the Sun per second is equals to 3.85 times 10 to the power of 26 joules divided by 9 times 10 to the power of 16, which gives a total mass of 4.27 times to the 9 kilograms. 4.27 million tons lost per second. Not bad, eh?